Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500, you're trying to find where the fuel pump fuse is located because the car does not start or the fuel pump doesn't work. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Now we will explain why it's super important, guys, to actually test your fuse. Okay, let's say you look at it and you think it's good, you put it back in and the car still doesn't start. You start spending money to fix it, time, you invest quite a bit of time, when all you had to do test the fuse and find out it's bad. Okay, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below to a special video that will teach you how to test the car fuse in just a few seconds. So let's explain now where that fuse is located. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So if you come right here, guys, you need to open the hood on your Fiat 500. We specifically have the Abarth 2015 model, but even if you have a different one, it will work as well. So you come right here, okay, next to the car battery. If you look, if you remove that cover, that's where the fuses are located for the engine compartment. You have another fuse box inside the car. If you want to see where it's located, we have the video where are the fuses on Fiat 500 that will teach you that. So unscrew the bolt, pull it out, pull that thing, go ahead, do that. Now, good news, guys, okay, you have the fuse numbers listed on the fuse box right here. Bad news, they're chaotically listed, and also, guys, they're not in order and it doesn't tell you what they're for. So what do we need to check? Okay, we need to check, guys, okay, one fuse only for the fuel pump, and that specific fuse will be fuse number F21. It will be that fuse right here. So that's fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So fuse number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here, guys. Okay. That's fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That 15 fuse, that's the fuel pump fuse that you need to check right here. If the vehicle still doesn't start, we have a special video that will explain why a Fiat doesn't start, Fiat 500 doesn't start, and how to replace fuel pump where it's located as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.